Boss up, baby. Go ahead and hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, because you know what we do on this channel, bring you passive income ideas, active income ideas, side hustles, starting your own business, business credit, anything to help you level up out the 9 to 5 rat race. We about that. So you don't want to miss any videos, so hit that notification bell and go ahead and drop a comment down in the comment section. It helps us get out to a wider audience and help everybody start getting back to work and putting money in their pockets. So I got the big three transportation, logistics, delivery companies I'm going to bring you and how you can partner with those. You know the big three: UPS, FedEx, and DHL. All three. You can use these companies even if you're driving a car, a small sedan. You can partner with these companies and start making money all the way up to the big box trucks and even semis if you got that. So go ahead, get ready, grab your drinks, grab your beverages. So as always, we're going to hop inside the websites, show you exactly how you apply, how you find these jobs, what to put on the applications, and all you need to qualify to partner with the big three transportation companies. All right, boss up, baby. All right, so we are on DHL's website, one of the big three that I told you about, and how you can partner with them. Simply being a same day delivery driver, using your vehicle, personal vehicle, box truck, cargo van, car, SUV, whatever you got, and select locations. Now, they hire by the city. They're not just hiring everybody. They have to have certain needs in certain areas, certain cities. So you're going to just come to this website here. Link to this website going to be down in the description below. Come straight to this website, do agent for the US, sign up, and when they need, people in your area, they will contact you. Now, I have not driven for this program or signed up yet, but I have talked to people who have in Florida and as well as in South Carolina, and they like the program using their own car. You can pick multiple vehicles. So if you got a van, cargo van, box truck, multiple vehicles, you can select those and pick which one you want to drive, depending on, how many packages you get. They're asking for commercial insurance. Not sure if these are requirements, cargo insurance, but I'm pretty sure they are. So I would select yes for those. And if you don't have them, once you get hired, once you get selected or start the, finish up the hiring process, go ahead and go out and get those insurance requirements. You can do 24 hours, Monday through Friday, kind of specify your work schedule and all that, smartphone, how to work technology and experience with airports. So you want to say yes, make yourself look good, sell your bill, sell yourself, sell your business, be a boss up. And that's how you get on with DHL, using your personal vehicle, cargo van, whatever you got. Next, we have UPS. They have a personal vehicle driver program. I keep it real on this channel. Honestly, this is primarily for seasonal work, especially around the holidays. But with the advent of e-commerce and more, online shopping and people getting stuff delivered, last mile, this is a great way to start making money. Depending on the area, some areas are hiring now, some are not. Some only do during the holiday season. I would, even though it's February, I would go ahead and put my application in and, see if they're hiring in your area. Now, you can't just apply. They have to have, the actual jobs available in your market. But they say they pay around $21 an hour. Let's see, here's the package delivery drivers, personal delivery drivers, jobs, package delivery drivers. So I'm not sure if these are for, drive the big brown trucks or these are personal, but you need to have an availability in your market to actually do this. So 21 years of older, have some type of experience, whether you been doing DoorDash, Amazon Flex, and they suggest you make around $21 an hour. Go ahead and fill this out so you can get job alerts and you be the first one to apply. But I am proactive and I went on the internet and found some stuff. So here's one in Canton, Georgia. This says seasonal, but they still have it listed. So it still could be available. They still could have a need for people to deliver in your local market, especially if you live in rural areas where they don't really have a lot of the vans or the trucks for the loads. This will probably be great for you. So go ahead and go back to this UPS website, jobs-ups.com, and get sign up for the alerts so you'll be the first one to know how to find jobs like this, full-time, 8 hours, Monday through Friday, making $21 an hour or over. That's pretty good money. All right. And last but not least, we got FedEx. So FedEx is hiring people with their own vehicle, own cargo van, over the road, local. So they want you to have your DOT with this one. If you're going to drive a cargo van, commercial insurance as well is needed. No DUIs, DWIs in the past 5 years. And then you come to the owner operators tab here. Fill out this information, name, address, where you've been living the past 4 years, contact information, willing to go over the road. Yes, maybe. Let them know. Sell yourself. That's why you get hired a lot faster. And then, I go out and find who's kind of hiring for personal vehicle drivers, $15 to $25 an hour, probably depending on the size of your vehicle. If you're going to make the $25 or the $15 end. But like I said, these are just local jobs. These are probably, even though you're working with FedEx, like a member like me, I have Fast Fleet ATL. I have a contract with FedEx to deliver a certain amount of packages, and then I will subcontract you out. So this what these companies do. They'll subcontract you out and use your personal vehicle to deliver packages under their contract, MCM contract, or Fast Fleet ATL if you're come under contract with me. So this might be something I want to do. I might need to try to get me some contracts and some small routes and start hiring out some drivers. Boss up. That's how you be a boss. That's how you grow and expand your business. Partner with these big companies like so. And here's another one with FedEx. Some more jobs. Same thing. K Logistics. It's not mine. Should name mine K Logistics. That would have been cool. But vehicles must be personal types, no cargo vans or commercial vehicles. So this one specifically wants smaller vehicles. So you're probably going to be doing a lot of driving. They don't want nothing that's heavy on gas, SUVs, minivans, things of that nature. So it's no cap on here. You can be a personal vehicle driver with FedEx. You may possibly have to subcontract from another company, but you will be going to FedEx hubs, picking up your packages, and then driving off. And then you just got to make sure these subcontract companies pay you and pay you on time. All right. So, but one gem I want to show you for sticking around at the end of the video. I always give my viewers gems for watching the video in full. Here's a trick of how to find extra delivery jobs in your area. So say you came to this one. This was in Port Wentworth, Georgia. You may, they may be full. They may be taking a long time to get back with you. But if you scroll down, you can see other courier companies around. Usually they put you in your area, but this one is kind of all over. Last mile delivery contractor, $90 an hour. Edibles in Washington State, where certain stuff is legal up in Washington, so you can deliver edibles. You can deliver foods. You can do all kind of stuff from these sites. So just don't trust gig sites. Just don't be looking on YouTube. Go to Glassdoor, go to Indeed, and start finding these jobs in your area. All right. Boss up, baby. That is how you get on with the big three transportation companies in America. Hope you enjoyed it. Hit the like, that subscribe button, because it helps me out. And leave a comment down below. Tell me what area you're in. Just say what up. I appreciate your videos, Kay. And as I start seeing these comments, consistent comments, I'm going to start doing giveaways and start doing, giving gift cards and gas cards to people that consistently show love on my channel. I appreciate you. All right. All right.